Welcome back to the channel The United States of America. Quarter dollar 1994. Coin is a fascinating piece of modern American currency and an important part of the nation's numismatic history. This coin features the classic design of George Washington, the first president of the United States, whose portrait has been used on the quarter since 1932. Designed by sculptor John Flanagan, Washington's image is one of the most recognizable and enduring symbols in U.S. coinage. The obverse of the coin shows Washington facing left, with the word liberty inscribed above his head and the phrase, "In God We Trust," to his left. Below his portrait appears the year of minting, 1994, and a small mint mark indicating where the coin was produced. The 1994 quarter was struck at 3 U.S. mint facilities: Philadelphia, P., Denver, D., and San Francisco, S. Coins with the P and D mint marks were made for everyday circulation, while the S mint mark was used for proof coins made specifically for collectors. The reverse design of the 1994 quarter features the elegant heraldic eagle, with wings spread and a bundle of arrows in its talons, symbolizing strength and readiness to defend the nation. Above the eagle appears the national motto, E pluribus unum, which means, out of many, one. Encircling the design are the words, United States of America, and quarter dollar, marking it clearly as a coin of national pride. The 1994 quarter was struck in a copper-nickel-clad composition, with an inner core of pure copper and an outer layer of 75% copper and 25% nickel. It weighs 5.67 grams and measures 24.26 millimeters in diameter, the standard size for all U.S. quarters of the modern era. This composition gives the coin a silver-like shine, though it contains no actual silver. While billions of 1994 quarters were produced, finding examples in uncirculated or proof condition adds real value for collectors. A circulated 1994 quarter is typically worth face value, 25 cents. But high-grade uncirculated examples can be valued between $1 and $5. Proof versions, especially those graded PR 69 or PR 70 deep cameo, can be worth significantly more, sometimes reaching $15 to $40 or higher. Collectors also look for coins with minting errors, such as off-center strikes, die cracks, or doubled dies, which can increase the value dramatically. These error varieties are rare, but make the 1994 quarter a fun and intriguing coin to search for in rolls or old collections. The design's combination of historical symbolism and patriotic imagery gives the 1994 quarter both aesthetic and sentimental appeal. It represents the final decade of the traditional eagle reverse design before the state quarters program began in 1999, making it a coin from a transitional era in U.S. coinage. Many collectors include the 1994 quarter in sets. The minting process of the 1994 U.S. quarter begins with blank copper nickel discs called planchets, which are prepared, polished, and then fed into high-speed presses. Each planchet is struck with precision dies that imprint the image of George Washington on one side and the heraldic eagle on the other. During this striking process, intense pressure ensures that even the smallest design elements, from the feathers on the eagle to the curls in Washington's hair, appear sharp and detailed. If a planchet or die shifts even slightly, it can create a mint error, resulting in off-center strikes or doubled details that are highly prized by collectors. The most desirable 1994 quarter errors include double die obverse, broad strikes, and clipped planchets. A double die obverse shows doubling in the inscriptions, such as Liberty or In God We Trust, making it visually striking and easy to identify. Broad strikes occur when the retaining collar fails to hold the coin during minting, causing it to spread wider than normal while still displaying the full design. Clipped planchets, on the other hand, have a portion of the metal missing before striking, giving the coin a unique curved edge. Each of these error types can raise the value of a 1994 quarter from a few dollars to potentially over $100, depending on rarity and visibility. In the world of numismatics, condition remains king, and mint state grading determines much of a coin's value. Coins are carefully graded on the Sheldon scale, ranging from MS 60, uncirculated, to MS 70, perfect condition. A 1994 quarter in MS 67 or MS 68 grade can command premium prices, as few examples survive with such flawless luster and surfaces. Professional grading companies like PCGS and NGC encapsulate coins in tamper-proof holders, labeling them with their grades and authentication details. These graded coins are more trusted in the marketplace, as the assigned grade confirms their authenticity and quality to buyers. For many collectors, the 1994 quarter holds nostalgic value, a reminder of everyday pocket change during the 1990s when payphones, vending machines, and arcade games still took coins, even though billions were minted. Not all quarters have survived in pristine condition, making high-quality examples harder to find. The Philadelphia Mint produced over 825 million quarters in 1994, while the Denver Mint struck approximately 880 million, ensuring wide national circulation. Meanwhile, the San Francisco Mint issued limited numbers of proof quarters for collectors, each with the signature S mint mark and mirror-like finish. These proof versions were sold directly to collectors through the U.S. Mint, in special packaging or proof sets. A proof coin shows a sharp contrast between frosted raised designs and shiny mirror backgrounds, known as a cameo effect. The 1994 S proof quarters, particularly those graded PR 70 deep cameo,